How to make a keychain from this image. Bring on the image. Click on the image button on the left corner of the screen. Search for the image, select it, and click on Open. Click on Yes, scale it to fit on canvas. How to remove the background of this image. Click on the button Edit Image on the right side in Design Space. Choose the first button on the right screen, Magic Wand. Slide the fuzziness option to 100%. Click on the white of the image to make it transparent. Then click on Save. Use the Erase tool. Click on the image to edit it. Click on the button Edit Image. Click on the second button on the right side of the screen, the Erase tool. Slide the size of the eraser bigger. Click on the items what you want to erase. Make the eraser smaller when you have to remove smaller parts. Then select Save. Make the image in black and white and also sharper. Click on the image to edit it. Click on the right side of the screen in Design Space. Click on Adjustment. Slide the sharpness to 100 and grayscale to 130. Use the magic wand to make some parts of the image transparent. Click on the button Edit Image. Click on the first button of the right side of the screen, the magic wand button. Click on parts of the image that you want to make transparent. Then click on Save. Trace the image with the standard settings. Select the image, then click on the button Trace Image on the right side of Design Space. We make no adjustments on the standard setting. Then click Save. Click on the left side of the screen, the purple button, to select the purple items. This is what we want to remove, so click on the Delete button. Click on the image to select it. Slide the image to the right side of the screen. This is the traced image. Click on the original image to move the original image out of the way. Select the traced image. Then click on the Engrave button on the right side of the screen. Click on the traced image. Click Node Editing on the right side of the screen. Make some adjustments of the image. We remove some nodes. Click on the node you want to remove and push the Delete button on your keyboard. And keep pushing the Delete button until all the nodes which you want to remove. When you are pleased with the results, then click on Done. make an outline. Click on the image. On the right side of Design Space, click Button Outline. Make offset distance 5 mm. Inner outline for bitmap turn off. Then select OK. Make a keychain hole. Click on the image. Select the third icon on the left side on the screen to select a circle. Hold the Shift key and draw a circle. Make the size a little smaller. To click on the right side of the screen to select the wide and make the hole 20 mm. Drag the circle just a little bit over the outline. Select the circle and push the Shift key, then select the outline. Then click on the right side the Combine, Unite button. Oh no, we have to use the node editing again. Just to make sure we have no nodes in the way. Select the outline. Click on Node Editing. Select the nodes which not necessary and push the Delete button just amount times to delete the unwanted nodes. Then click on Done. Click on the left side of the screen, the third button to make a circle. Make the circle 10 mm. Drag the circle into the outline where we have made the other circle. Align with your arrow keys and eyeball it to the center. Then select the outline and hold the Shift key to select the circle. Then push the fourth icon on the Combine menu. Subtract at overlap. So, now you're done. The keychain file is ready to engrave and cut. For cutting the keychain, we're using a PVC rigid foam. The settings are meant for this type of material. Select the black layer. Then click Engrave on the right side of the screen. Click on the button Easy Set panel. Set the power at 10%, speed at 250, and the lines at 100. Click the red layer. Click on Cut, click on Easy Set panel, and set power on 30% and speed 30 and 1 pass. Then click on Process in the upper right corner. Then click on Start and push the button on the machine.